Welcome back to Year 7 Mathematics, Term 1. Session 5 is about the order of operations, often remembered as BIDMAS. Consider 4 plus 3 times 5. Working straight from left to right gives 35, but the agreed mathematical order gives 19. Today you will learn why that order matters, apply every BIDMAS stage, solve complete examples, and answer 3 practice questions with time to pause before each solution. BIDMAS names 4 stages. First, brackets. Second, indices, meaning powers and roots. Third, division and multiplication, which share equal priority and are completed from left to right. Fourth, addition and subtraction, which also share equal priority and are completed from left to right. It is a 4-stage method, not 6 separate commands. Resolve one stage across the expression before moving to the next. Order of operations is built into calculators, spreadsheets, computer programs, and scientific formulas. A spreadsheet reads multiplication before addition unless brackets change the plan. A shop total may multiply a price by a quantity before adding delivery. A science formula may square a measurement before combining it with another value. BIDMAS makes every reader interpret the same expression in the same way. Why should you know this? BIDMAS lets you predict what a calculator should return, spot a mistyped formula, and show working that another person can follow. It also prepares you for algebra, where an expression must keep its structure when letters replace numbers. Without an agreed order, one line could have several answers. With BIDMAS, the answer is unambiguous and can be checked one stage at a time. Start with brackets and indices. In 9 minus 4, all inside brackets, the bracket equals 5. Then 2 squared equals 4. So the expression, open bracket 9 minus 4 close bracket times 2 squared becomes 5 times 4, which equals 20. If brackets are nested, begin with the innermost pair. Brackets tell you which calculation must be treated as one grouped part. Now for the equal priority rule. In 18 divided by 3 times 2, division and multiplication belong to the same stage. Read from left to right. 18 divided by 3 is 6, then 6 times 2 is 12. Doing the multiplication first would incorrectly give 3. The same rule applies to addition and subtraction. In 20 minus 6 plus 2, work left to right to get 14 plus 2, which is 16. For a longer expression, mark the active stage rather than trying to do everything mentally. Copy the whole expression onto the next line, changing only the part you have evaluated. This preserves its structure and prevents skipped operations. Brackets come first, then indices, then division and multiplication from left to right, and finally addition and subtraction from left to right. One accurate change per line makes checking much easier. Let us evaluate 4 plus 3 times, open bracket 7 minus 2, close bracket squared, divided by 5. First, the bracket gives 5. Next, 5 squared gives 25. Multiplication and division now share one stage, left to right. 3 times 25 is 75, then 75 divided by 5 is 15. Finally, 4 plus 15 equals 19. Only the active part changed on each line. Now evaluate 2 times the outer bracket containing open bracket 8 minus 3, close bracket squared, minus 4 times 5. Start with the inner bracket. 8 minus 3 is 5. The index gives 25. Still inside the outer bracket, multiply 4 by 5 to get 20. Then 25 minus 20 is 5. The final multiplication outside the bracket gives 2 times 5, which equals 10. BIDMAS is applied inside, then outside. Practice question 1. Evaluate 5 plus 4 times 3. Option A is 17. Option B is 27. Option C is 12. Option D is 22. Pause the video and identify the operation that must happen first. Option A is correct, 17. Multiplication happens before addition, so 4 times 3 equals 12. The expression becomes 5 plus 12, which equals 17. Adding 5 and 4 first would ignore the agreed order and produce the incorrect answer 27. Practice question 2. Evaluate 18 divided by 3 times 2. Option A is 12. Option B is 3. Option C is 9. Option D is 18. Pause the video. Remember that division and multiplication share equal priority. Option A is correct. 12. Division and multiplication are one BIDMAS stage, so work from left to right. 18 divided by 3 equals 6, and 6 times 2 equals 12. Multiplying 3 by 2 first would change the given structure and lead to the incorrect answer 3. Practice question 3. Evaluate 10 minus open bracket 2 plus 1 close bracket squared divided by 3. Option A is 7. Option B is 9. Option C is 3. Option D is 27. Pause the video and write one new line for each BIDMAS stage. Option A is correct. 7. The bracket 2 plus 1 equals 3, so the expression becomes 10 minus 3 squared divided by 3. The index gives 9. Division comes before subtraction, so 9 divided by 3 equals 3. The last step is 10 minus 3, which equals 7. The distractor answers come from skipping a stage or changing the order. Let us finish with the BIDMAS method. Work brackets first, then indices. Complete division and multiplication together from left to right. Complete addition and subtraction together from left to right. On each new line, copy the full expression and change only the active part. Finally, estimate or use a calculator to check whether the result is sensible. One agreed order gives one reliable answer. Continue practicing at bridge2exam.com.